Are interest rates going to drop home prices? I've been getting this question from homeowners on a daily basis. The answer isn't cut and dry, but in a market where rates are predicted to rise even further this year, buyer affordability take a serious hit. To give you a better idea of whether your home is poised to lose value in the coming months, I'm going to address 4 key points that explain what's happening in the real estate market. So mortgages are getting more expensive. This is pricing certain buyers out of the market and shallowing the buyer pool a bit. Rent is also going up. As a result, there will be more demand from renters who are former buyers that got priced out of the market. There's still a national shortage of homes. This low supply is keeping prices high. We're not headed for a crash. The current market conditions are a result of low supply and high demand, not bad lending practice like we saw in 2008. Link in my bio to watch my full article about the current housing market. Like and follow for more virtual tours and housing market updates and tips.